It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging gate contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for gate till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack gate deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Welcome to Unacademy YouTube channel. This is K Umamaheswara Rao. Unacademy is conducting Master Blaster Practice Series, a free special class series, altogether 10,000 practice questions for GATE in Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, and Chemical Engineering. On Unacademy YouTube channel, YouTube sessions on basic concepts every Friday, intermediate concepts on Saturday, advanced concepts on Sunday, knowledge fight on Monday, tests on every Tuesday. Unacademy is conducting free live combat, India's largest weekly competition for GATE. Access your GATE preparation in 60 minutes, challenging and original GATE questions by the best educators at Unacademy. Take it live to compete with the best. All India Live Leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through detailed video solutions. Next live combat is on 20th and 27th of June at 11 a.m. Rank 1 to 3 complimentary Unacademy Plus subscription. Rank 4 to 10 75% off on Plus subscription. Rank 11 to 50 50% off on Plus subscription. Rank 51 to 100 25% off on Unacademy Plus subscription. Price hike is coming in GATE and ESE category. Beat the price hike and subscribe now. Unacademy is announcing final batch alert, eval batch for 2022 GATE and Ascend batch for 2023 GATE. electrical engineering and electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering and civil engineering. In Plus subscription, you have live classes, crash courses, weekly tests, doubt solving sessions, rank improvement batches. On Iconic subscription, we have personal coach, study planner, study booster sessions, personalized test analysis, dedicating the doubt clearing instructors, preparatory study material. Either for Plus subscription or Iconic subscription, use code KUR75. Use code KUR75. Mathematical logic. Today I would like to discuss problems on mathematical logic. Consider the following statements S1 and S2. S1 is if it is raining. If it is raining, then cricket match will not be played. S2. If it is raining, now continuation of S1. Some statements are there. If it is raining, then cricket match will not be played. The cricket match was played. The cricket match was played. Therefore, it is not raining. This is statement 1. We have to examine validity of the statement. Okay. Now statement 2. S2. If it is raining, then cricket match will not be played. It is not raining. Therefore, the cricket match was played. Now, find which of the following is valid. Option A, only I1, only S1, statement 1, only S1 or only S2, both valid, both invalid. Now, here I am taking one premise is it is raining. P represents it is raining. Q represents the cricket match will be played. It is raining. The premise Q is the cricket match will be played. Will be played. Now, first argument. First argument S1. What is S1? If it is raining, cricket match will not be played. So P implies negation Q is given. Next line. The cricket match was played. The cricket match was played means Q. Therefore, by modest tolerance, you can write negation P. By modest tolerance. Now, so S1 is valid. It is valid. Now, I am examining S2. What is S2? Observe the statement. If it is raining, cricket match will not be played. Okay. P implies negation Q. Now, second line of S2. It is not raining. P represents it is raining. Negation P represents it is not raining. That's why I am writing negation P. Therefore, they have given the cricket match was played. Cricket match will be played is Q. Cricket match was played means negation Q. Cricket match will be played is Q. Here what they have given, cricket match was played. So therefore Q. This is not valid. I'll explain why it is not valid. Observe. What is tautological form? P implies negation Q and negation P implies Q. Now I am examining validity of this tautology. Whether it is tautology or not, we are going to verify. P, Q, P implies negation Q and P implies negation Q and negation P implies Q. Now observe. Fix consequent false. Try to make antecedent true. Try to make antecedent true. It is a conjunction. So this must be true and this must be true. Negation P true means P must be false. Okay. P is false. False implies Q is false. No? You have already fixed. Therefore, negation P is true. False implies true and true. False implies true is true. True and true is true. True implies false situation arises. Yes, it is possible. True implies false is false. Therefore, it is not tautology. It is not tautology. Therefore, it is not valid. It is not valid. It is not valid. Therefore, which one is valid? Only S1 is valid. Only S1 is valid. Continuation. Next problem. Consider the following statements. S1. If a candidate is known to be corrupt, then he will not be elected. S2. If candidate is kind, he will be elected. He will be elected. Which one of the following statement is correct or valid as per the rules of inference? Which of the following is valid under or as per rules of inference? First option. If a person is known to be corrupt, he is kind. He is kind. Second one, if a person is not known to be corrupt, not known to be correct, he is not kind. Third one, if a person is kind, if a person is kind, he is not known to be corrupt. If a person is not kind, he is not known to be corrupt. He is not known to be corrupt. Now, I am taking C represents candidate is corrupt. E represents candidate is elected. K represents candidate is kind. Now, S1, statement 1. If the candidate is known to be corrupt, he will not be elected. So here, if the candidate is corrupt, he will not be elected. So negation E. Now, S2 is if the candidate is kind, he will be elected. So K implies E. Now we have to examine uh, which one is valid as per the rules of inference. Now, observe here. First one. C implies negation E, that is S1. Given that K implies E, that is S2. Third one. If K implies E, if you write contrapositive, negation E implies negation K. Contrapositive. Fourth one. Now apply hypothetical syllogism or transitive rule on 1 and 3. C implies negation E. C implies negation E and negation E implies K gives us C implies negation K. Transitive rule. Fifth one. Fifth one. K implies, I am applying contrapositive. Contrapositive on 4. K implies negation C. Contrapositive. Now, observe here. What is conclusion? Finally, if the candidate is kind, then he will not be corrupt. If the person is kind, he is not known to be corrupt. Which option? K implies negation C is the correct answer. Third option is correct. As per the rules of inference, third option is correct. Next one. Next problem. If there are clouds in the sky, then the sun does not shine. And if the sun does not shine, then the temperature falls. The temperature is not falling. So there are no clouds in the sky. We have to write this one in symbolic form and we have to check whether it is valid or invalid. Now, I am taking C represents there are clouds. There are clouds. S represents sun is shining. T represents temperature falls. Now, given that if there are clouds in the sky, then sun does not shine. Therefore, C implies negation S. If sun does not shine, then temperature falls. If sun does not shine, then temperature falls. That is given. So based on this, he has given, based on these two premises, he has given one conclusion. What is the conclusion? The temperature is not falling. Negation T. Temperature is not falling. Implies there are no clouds in the sky. No clouds in the sky. Negation C. That is given. Our job is to check whether this is valid or not by the rules of inference. Negation T implies negation C is valid or not. Now, observe here. First one. C implies negation S given. Second statement, negation S implies T, temperature falls. Now, by applying hypothetical syllogism or law of transitive, C implies T. Now, for C implies T, you apply contrapositive. Negation T implies negation C. Therefore, with the help of rules of inference, we have verified it is valid argument. It is valid. Next one. Next problem. Consider the following statements. Consider the following statements. P. Good mobile phones are not cheap. Q. Cheap mobile phones are not good. Now, L. P implies Q. Next, M. Q implies P. N. P is equivalent to Q. Which of the following about LMN is correct? First option. Only L is true. B. Only M is true. Next. Only N is true. Next. L, M and N are true. Now, here P represents good mobile phones are not cheap. Q is cheap mobile phones are not good. Observe here. P is good mobile phones are not cheap. Q is cheap mobile phones are not good. Now, first I am taking P. Good mobile phones are not cheap. Good mobile phones are not cheap. If you write contrapositive for this, negation of negation C implies negation G. That is, C implies negation G. Therefore, we can understand that G implies negation C is good mobile phones are not cheap is equivalent to cheap mobile phones are not good. Whenever there is an equivalent relation, so from this we can write P is equivalent to Q. Whenever there is an equivalence, we can understand that P implies Q is a tautology, Q implies P is a tautology, and P equal to Q is also a tautology. Whenever there is an equivalence, implication works from antecedent to consequent. P implies Q is valid, Q implies P is valid. P is equivalent to Q is also valid. All three are valid. That's why correct option is L. P implies Q. L is nothing but P implies Q. M is nothing but Q implies P. N is nothing but P is equivalent to Q. All three are true. L, M, N are true. Understood? Now, Unacademy is a perfect study partner for GATE and ESC. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in civil engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in mechanical engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in computer science and engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in production engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in engineering sciences. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in electrical engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in electronics and communication engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in chemical engineering. Unacademy is congratulating GATE 2021 rankers in environmental science and engineering. Thank you.